that a pelican?
I think it's a plane.
Is that a pelican, Grandma, or a Santa? Pelican, right?
It didn't have a great big beak, did it?
I don't know. It kind of had a bigger beak, didn't it? Had a pretty good sized one.
Well, you know, they have great big ones.
Hey, here it comes back. Maybe we can see it again.
It's a pelican.
Pelican. Yeah, it's a pelican. Yeah, it's got a huge beak.
Now I can see it.
Look it up there. Look up the bird.
Almost got that bird.
Have you ever rode on a jet